tried it on you.
That's even nice.
That's for you.
I'm talking about, she didn't like putting it in your mouth.
We got a divorce. Don't think.
No, she didn't mean it like that.
No, I heard it the other way now. That's too strikes.
Dad, when you had sex with that girl you lost your virginity to, did it just happen or did you guys plan it? You're like, look here, I'm gonna bring a condom for later.
No, I planned it already. I planned when your mom and dad was out of town.
I bet Dad didn't even use a condom.
Dad, did you even use a condom?
In our days, you didn't eat condoms.
Yeah, but you can still get pregnant.
Yeah, what would you have been, a 13-year-old dad?
Well, I doubt it.
That could happen.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
It happens.
You can start having babies at 12 years old.
If your balls show up.